everyone. So I actually started to do this video and I had like a nice intro, but then I realized that my microphone was not working. Silly me, I started to record the whole video and I actually didn't check if the audio was working, so now I'm gonna have to do a voiceover. So I just washed my hair here and I'm just showing the roots of my new growth. And basically what I was trying to explain was I stopped doing the keratin about since June of last year, and since I had a nice haircut, nice short haircut, I was doing the flat iron every week, and my hair was actually losing the curl pattern, and it seemed as if I was relaxing my hair, or maybe doing the keratin, because you can see that my hair looks pretty straight and it has absolutely no shape. I don't know if you just saw when I turned, I still have a little bit of the shape of the haircut that I had. So here I'm just showing how I part my hair. I'm going to part it the same way that I normally do when I'm doing my roller set, just because that's the way that I'm used to, and I figure it might be easier. Doing the roller set, I actually like to work with the front first, but for these curl formers, it's actually better to work with the back first. Here I was just showing the mousse that I was going to use, but I honestly barely used it. I'm showing the curl formers size that I got. I actually got the ones that are 22 inches long, even though my hair is short, because I normally have my hair that goes down to my waist, but you know, like I didn't want to buy a short one and then buy a long one, so I decided to just buy a long one and then you know, be able to use it later on when my hair is longer. So here I am just combing my hair so that it's nice and it doesn't have any knots, and then I am twisting the roots so that it is easier to put on the curl former with the hook. Another thing is that I'm going to be using like in the front, I'm gonna try to have the curl formers away from my face, and then on the back I'm gonna put the curl formers randomly, like first do a purple one and then do a pink one, just so that the hair doesn't all look like it is like they're all going in the same direction. I left this clip here just to show you guys how real is the struggle. I didn't do any research or anything. I mean, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, but honestly people never said how you're supposed to do this. So I was struggling, and like it was very hard, and I was pulling my hair all throughout the video because my hair was not going through the curl formers. What happens is you need to take a very, very small amount of hair in order for it to work perfectly. So I struggled a lot, and I actually my hair broke a lot, and I, like, you know, like when I took the curl formers off, I saw a lot of my hair broken, and like, I don't know how to say that in English, but yeah. I remember what I was to saying in the video in the introduction. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to record myself and kind of show you guys my transition, like what I'm doing while I'm transitioning my hair, because every time I try to go natural and stop relaxing my hair, I will get this panic attack and I will say, what am I gonna do with my hair? What am I gonna do with my hair? And every time I went on YouTube and I tried to look for like hairstyles and things like that I can do while I'm transitioning. I never found anything. So I want to hopefully I have the time to do it. I want to show how I'm transitioning my hair, what hairstyles I'm doing in order to transition, and hopefully it is helpful for someone. So here I'm showing the hook. I noticed other people that had like the dupe, that didn't have the original curl formers, they had problems with their hook, but mine was really good. I guess I was lucky to have one that was very long. Sadly, the set that I got, the seller doesn't have the listing anymore. I don't know if it's something, maybe curl formers did something so that either removed the listing, or I don't know if the seller just decided to remove it, because I went back because I wanted to buy more, because I realized that 40 was not enough for my whole head. So I went back and I was trying to buy another one, but it was not there anymore. So my best recommendation is, if you want to set dupe, you can just go on eBay and look for magic curlers or curl formers, and then see whatever is there, because honestly the listings come and go. So it wouldn't be really helpful for me to put the listing, put the link of the listing on the description of the video. If you notice, I actually put the curl formers or the curls moving into my face, not away from my face. So just be careful when you're doing that. Just try, I guess next time you're gonna get it right, but just try to figure it out and think through before you put the curl formers on, if the curls are really going to go away from your face rather than into your face, because I did a mistake.